Hey, it's Friday, August 6th on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat, and I've got your astrological forecast for today and tomorrow. But before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, wow, frog just jumped right in my throat. All the negativity, all the darkness leaving our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And this bubble is going out and forming a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. Now, while we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say it together and stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Great, happy Friday. And just as a little push for the 3 deep cleansing breaths, it's not just advantageous spiritually, but if you do any research on it, you will find that those 3 deep cleansing breaths are a great stress reliever too. So I gotta push them because they are amazing. Such a powerful spiritual tool to use and always have ready to use whenever we need it. Well, today is Friday. Time for the weekend almost. So today we're gonna start off, the moon does start off in Cancer today. And then it goes void, of course, until it starts off in Cancer and then goes void of course at 3:12 p.m. today, and it's going to be void of course until the wee hours of Saturday morning. So from basically 3 o'clock this afternoon, Eastern Daylight Time, until tomorrow, the moon is void of course, no new contracts. Don't start anything new. Success rate goes way down during those hours. Now, and then tomorrow the moon goes into Leo, but it will hang out. So we have another day of this Cancer energy until the wee hours of tomorrow. So we get one more full day of working on making our home a space where we feel safe and secure. I mean, it can be as simple as decluttering so that when we come home from work at night, we come to a space that we can relax and enjoy and rejuvenate and renew ourselves and not be in the middle of all this clutter that we can't even rest because everything is so scattered. I mean, remember, the physical is just a reflection from inside. So if our outer space is cluttered and a mess, we're not doing too hot on the inside either. So, and a good way to shift that energy is to actually clean up the clutter. You start opening up the energy channel again. Once you start, it doesn't know where to go. It's pinging here and there and everywhere else. We got to clear the channel for it to come in. So be working on that. Be thinking of that today. I hope we were able to promote our new idea, new way of doing something, this new and different technique or project or whatever we were working on yesterday. Was a great day to get support for that and to move it forward. Today, absolutely not. Absolutely not. It will be basically thrown back in our face and we will be told, just get out of here. Just get out of here. Or it will be criticized. We will be judged. And here again, we are going to have to remember to hold our power and not allow anyone to take that away from us, to compromise us. So what that may look like, yesterday, what we needed to promote our project or whatever it is, to have all our facts and our foundation ready to go. So today, if maybe it was working well yesterday and today somebody got all cranky about our idea and changed their minds, whatever it is, if we have our facts and our data, everything to back up what we're presenting, today we can calmly, objectively, if someone's criticizing us, telling us we don't know what we're doing, your facts are wrong, your information is wrong, they're sucking that power, they're trying to get it from us. We can respond calmly with the facts and with all the research we have done. So I hope we prepared, because today we might get a little kickback on Friday. Tomorrow on Saturday, we have the moon is in Leo when we wake up. So now we have the moon, sun, and Mercury all in Leo. It's yet another great date night. Oh my God, we're all full of passion and expressing ourselves. We want to hang out with our friends and socialize and party. And we have a lot to say, especially about us. It is that energy of we are proud of ourselves. We're putting ourselves out there. We may be looking for some recognition, some acknowledgement. It's a great time for us to acknowledge and recognize somebody else, because that way we can get that channel working too, right? So a great couple of days coming up, as long as, if we have to bump heads today with the status quo is basically what it's going to be, disguised whatever, but it is the status quo. We may choose either to take our toys and, like they suggest, and go home, because we know we're not going to get anywhere. Again, we have to be conscious and feel the environment so we know how to react to it. And we may be able to contribute facts, figures, our foundation for why our idea is so good. That may be helpful, but I'm not feeling it. But tomorrow, we're with our friends, family, our special someone. Like I said, a great date night. We are very verbose, so enjoy it. And don't promise anything that we can't produce. We might be so full of ourselves, we forget that we got to be able to walk our talk. We better be able to produce it if we're gonna blab about it. Anyway, great weekend coming up. What do we got? Oh, it's a great Cancer energy for today, for Friday, that moon in Cancer home. Our home is our safe, sacred space. It's where we hook up with our higher self. It's where we find our renewal. It's where we find our healing, or it should be. And if it isn't, we need to clean up our act. And slow and steady, especially if our idea or whatever we're trying to promote today is being blocked, is it's just getting all kinds of obstacles and detours. Just deep breath and just put one foot in front of the other. It's not, again, I think I said yesterday, it's not time to throw the baby out with the bathwater, but we do need to be conscious of the environment and whether we can promote it and push it forward. And today, not so much. So slow or steady, keep that on the back burner, come back to it another time. Spirit of place. So now we come to our home, which is this home. This is our outer home, and here we have our inner home, who we are. Are we comfortable with who we are? Do we feel safe and secure with who we are? That's a big question too during this Cancerian energy, this moon in Cancer. Because that is our basic home, is right here. If we are at home with ourselves here, we can be at home anywhere, but it starts here. So again, back to my push to develop that relationship with our higher self so we can cultivate this home. Well, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. I hope you get to go out tomorrow night and party with your friends and stuff. That would be fun. Or you have a great date. That would be fun. Get ready for Sunday. I will see you on Sunday. Sunday is the Leo new moon, and it's called the Lion's Gate. It's going to be an energy of opportunity. So come back and check out your weekly astrological forecast on Sunday, August the 8th, right? Yes, I did it right. Okay. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. And remember the keynote for the station, and we just talked about it. Life is lived from the inside out. Have a happy weekend. See you on Sunday. Namaste.